So now that we've reviewed the purchase procedures here of Sunset Graphics, let's go ahead and model it out in a UML class diagram. And remember, we're going to do this in our REA, our resources format, resources, events, and agents. Okay, and we also have our multiplicities mapped out here. So one, we'll take a peek at one here. Purchase orders are commitments to purchase from the supplier. 2, receipts document the receipt of items from the supplier. And 3 are cash disbursements paid for one or more receipts. Here we've got the revised UML class diagram. If we had a one-to-one relationship between maybe purchase order and receipts, that would allow us to collapse the two events into one, just purchases. So this is just showing that option if that was the case. And then also we've noticed that we've added some type images for product categories, supplier categories. This is just to help the managers manage the business. It's more descriptive in type information. So here we're looking at our database is going to contain 8 tables, and we're going to implement classes and one linking table for the relationship between purchases and products. Just because we have that many-to-many relationship. And if we want to, again, review the posting of the foreign keys, once we have those multiplicities, we can then determine our foreign keys. And the rule of thumb, again, is to post the foreign key towards the many side of the one-to-many relationship. In this case, the foreign key in the customer number the partner number is going to be the partner number from this table is going to be the foreign key in the purchasers. Same with the supplier number, which is primary in the supplier table, will be the foreign key in the purchase table. Lastly, let's take a look at how our database relationships have turned out. We can see all of the data tables. We can see their attributes and their relationships. We've got our primary key and foreign keys listed here. And on this screen, actually, we've got a question for us. It says, which relationship is missing and how would you implement that? Well, if I'm scanning through this table here, it looks like we're missing a relationship between our suppliers, and our partners. Okay, so if we wanted to create a relationship there, we would post the partner number as a foreign key down in the supplier category table. Well, hopefully you noticed a similarity there between the sales process and the purchase process. But this does complete the purchase process review of Sunset Graphics, so thanks for joining me.